Tired of looking older than you really are? Over 60 million men feel the same way. But now, there is Provillus for men. The first and only FDA-approved hair regrowth spray clinically proven to help aid hair regrowth in seconds. It's time to finally look your age, and Provillus Hair Regrowth Spray is here to help. Target specific areas quickly and mess-free with our groundbreaking spray system. Take years off your age and look as young as you feel. Provillus is FDA approved and is a clinically proven solution designed to target specific areas on your head and regrow your hair from the root with a quick spray formula. It sprays on easy and dries quickly on your problem areas, not your hands. Let Provillus take years off your age and help you look as good as you feel. Call now for your risk-free trial.